YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect your Jitsi with your Google Calendar. So guys, if you want to connect your Jitsi meeting and video conferencing application with your Google Calendar, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that I am the official website of Jitsi, and simply go here for download section. Simply click here once. Now when you move downward, so guys, here you see there is an option of Jitsi Meet. So you simply click on the option of Jitsi Meet. After that guys, here you see that here you check the option of upcoming meetings. So if you are interested for your upcoming meeting, so you connect with your calendar. Here it asks you to enter your email which you want to connect. So you simply click the option of your mail and you can easily connect. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can connect your Google Calendar with your Jitsi calendar. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.